Hello again. Let's go bale. Video a couple days ago on cutting this field. Now I'm gonna bale it. It's hot. It's humid. It's like 93 degrees. And it's like 65% humidity or something like that. I've already sweated through my shirt. I went through at least 75% of my water jug one time. Refilled it. We're going again. Fuck. As long as the baler doesn't fight me, I think I'll be okay. If I end up fighting that baler, it's gonna be a bad day. Back here in my orchard grass, it's some good stuff. It's not my best stuff. Honestly, that over there is my best stuff. I'm doing it in some small squares. Honestly, this baler has been relatively okay. It's the first, I would call it modern baler I've had. Definitely the first one with electronics and net wrap on it. The 566s apparently have a really good reputation for issues. And I think I've had this thing 3 years now, and there's a pretty steep learning curve. After I sorted out all of the other issues, I'll call them small, really the only problem I have now with this baler is back here on the net wrap, and I think this is well known. So the 566 is the first from Deere with electronic sensors on it, I'll call it, and then there's 2 rubber rolls back here. Forgive me, I just powdered them. I normally don't, but we fought it yesterday, so I wanted to start out kind of fresh. But you got rubber roller and rubber roller. On this, I don't know if it was the 67s or the 68s, they eventually switched to one of those being a steel roller. The only issue that I really have out of this baler anymore is net wrapping around this top roller. Once I went through, followed the book, set everything on the net wrap to what the book wanted it to be, my problems almost all went away. And now I can normally bale a lot of bales before I have more problems, but we'll see what we get into today. make sure that they wrapped. It did. Decent bale. I found that orchard grass seems to just pack tighter than my normal fescue hay. Like that. I can't even get a knuckle in that bale. I'm gonna have to back that down a little bit. Measuring good. Orchard grass round bales. I have also found I like them to be less than an average of 15% moisture. For whatever reason, it seems to keep better. But yeah, let's go. Well, I think that's all this field wrote. Pretty good. I'll count my blessings. I'll say thank you, Jesus. I didn't fight the net wrap one time this whole field, so thankful for that. Ooh. I tell you what, the older stuff can still cause you headaches. Don't misunderstand me here, but that baler, I believe, is a 1998 model. That tractor is 1978. I think it's still doing a pretty good job, if I do say so myself. Level, square, tight. Yeah, I think I'll keep it. I'll keep going. If you're just finding me, or you haven't seen any of my previous videos, this tractor is it's a 1978. My great-grandfather purchased it new in 1978. It then went to his son, my grandfather, when the farm went, and then I was able to purchase it from my grandfather about 3 years ago, about the same time I bought the baler. Just a simple piece of iron, continues to run. I love it. I'll keep running it. So, hey, thanks for watching.